so I've just quickly set the power valve up. I still need to get a front cover, so I'm just using these for it to keep it all still. So need to bolt the servo in a minute. You can probably just about see it on here, maybe. This mark here on the pulley lines up with the end on here. And then there's a little bit of movement here. You sort of have to do your best. Don't necessarily work from the marks, but use them as a guide, because that's the closed position, that's the open position. When this is here, that's full open. So as you can see, they're closed at the minute. You can't see the valves, but they're closed. And then what you do is you use this yellow cable here with the ignition on. You earth it and the pulley turns. So I'm holding it to the earth, and that mark there now lines up, which is fully open. So if I take the earth cable off, you can see it moving back to closed. Open, closed. So that's what you have to do. It's a bit of a pig, and you just have to take your time with it. It's the little arm that plugs into this and the spring and onto the shaft. That's the biggest issue, and then you've got to make sure it's all lined up. So there we go. Now it looks to be working. I'm happy with how it looks. And when it's in the open position, I put my fingers into the exhaust holes, and you can feel it's level. So that's the key thing. Cool, there we go, cheers. Okay, so I'm gonna have a crack at drilling this snapped bolt out. So let's get to that. I need to get some easy outs, get it in there, and what I'll do is I'll heat round here up with the Old Faithful, and we'll see if we can get it to come out. Need to pick up some easy outs first though, so that'll be a day or two. Hang it. There we go. That's how it's done. And she's off. I can't believe it. I just dropped it and it broke the flange, which is annoying. I've got a spare carb, so I'll go grab that, use that one instead. But that's annoying because the oil inlet is nice and straight, and normally these bend or get snapped. And I think the other carb I've got is not as straight. Right, well here's another carb. So I'm gonna get this one apart, clean it. This one's here, you can see the it's got a bend on it. Ah dear, right, get to it. Okay, so we are going to install the exhaust, but what I probably won't do it, I'll be using an exhaust that I've got at the minute. It's a standard one, just so we can get it running and tested, make sure the engine's running okay. And then we'll probably look to, I've got another exhaust, standard one, but what we do is we'll cut it open, gut it, weld it, and use that, unless I come across an aftermarket one. We'll see. So we need a couple of gaskets. There's one in here, as you can see, just about. You then have this one that goes over the top, and this one, which is the same as what goes in here, that goes in there like that. So let's get that exhaust on. I'll put some gloves on quickly. Okay, I wonder if I've got any nicer bolts. Everything I've got is probably too long. Oh, actually, It's alright. Got a bit of 3 mil in it. Okay, it's starting to look a bit more like a bike now. And we're not too far away from actually being able to start it. Oh yeah, I need to order a new HT cap because we had the wrong spark plug on it. It doesn't accept the correct one, which has the fatter end. And the spark plug that it requires doesn't have the removable cap. So I need to change the HT cap. Yeah, I think that'll do for this one. We'll see you on the next part.